All right, we are looking at graphing solution sets to inequalities. So with this, you're given an equation, and anytime, I'm going to say this a lot in some of the videos, but anytime I'm given an equation, I like to graph it. I like to put it in my calculator and graph it to see what's going on. And that's exactly what we're going to do here because the answer choices are graphs. So one thing I noticed before I graph it, though, is that I see it's asking which graph best represents the solution set of y is less than or equal to negative 4x. So with that less than or equal to symbol, that tells us that our line should be either solid or dashed. Take a minute to think if you think it should be solid or dashed. So it should be solid because this is that symbol equal to, meaning it could be equal to. It could be right on the line. So either C or D is an answer choice we're going to look at. A and B have that dashed line. So you can do the same thing on this problem over on the left that you were working on. But let's go ahead and graph it. So go to your calculator and add a new document. And we're going to add a graph. And it's in y equals form right now. I want to go ahead and get those inequality symbols, so I'm going to press delete. And for the problem that you were working on, I would type in a relation. That's going to let you type anything you want. You can also pick these options. So I'm going to show you with relation that I'm going to type y, and then if you press Control equal sign, sorry, delete that. Control equal sign pulls up these inequality symbols. So I want the less than or equal to, and I'm going to type negative 4x and press enter. And there's my graph. So everything is shaded below over here, and my graph matches option C. So that should be my answer. So again, when you go to the graph, type in delete, and we're looking at relation, and that way you can type any equation you want. You will have to do Control equal sign to pull up those inequalities.